Let me quickly cut across to some big news coming in from Telangana. The Election Commission of India sources tell us gross model code of conduct violation by Chief Minister of Telangana by linking disbursement of Rabi installments under the Raitu Bharosa scheme to his public announcements. ECI directs deferment of the Raitu Bharosa scheme. In fact, the installments that has been promised, the ECI directs the deferment until after poll date, that's post 13th of May. Remember, Telangana goes to polls on the 13th of May, that's the following Monday. So to make promises of government schemes to the people at a time like this, under the government of Telangana is a violation of Model Code of Conduct. According to the Election Commission of India's sources, that there has been a direction by the ECI directly to the Chief Minister's Office of Telangana asking for the Raitu Bharosa scheme announcement should be deferred only post 13th of May. Apurva, for more on that. Apurva, give us more on the Raitu Bharosa scheme itself that Revant Reddy has been promising benefits to the people of Telangana at a time like this when the Model Code of Conduct is in place.
Schemes, Raitu Bharosa has been one of the flagship schemes that the Congress government has promised since it came to power. In fact, under the Raitu Bharosa, there was beneficiaries were the direct farmers themselves. They had been getting the direct beneficiaries into their bank accounts at the starting of every month. And ever since the Congress has come into power, that is since December, we are seeing how the Raitu Bharosa has been in monthly installments being credited into the farmers' accounts. And right now, the ECI has pulled up, the Congress government. They're saying that until the election code is in place, is there, the moral code of conduct is there. There needs to be a deferment of deferring of payments that needs to be done. Remember, Raitu Bharosa under the scheme, every month, the first week, the farmers will receive their incentives that the government has promised for them. But now, with the ECI has directed that until May 13th, that is until next Monday, the payments will be put on hold because there is the election code that is still in place here in Telangana, and that's what will be pushed up for the Congress before they get the farmers, the beneficiaries will be able to get the benefits of the scheme under the Raitu Bharosa.
Stay with us, Apurva. I'm going to quickly cut across to Akshita, who's also joining us, who's currently covering Andhra Pradesh. Akshita, we are seeing model code of conduct in place across Andhra Pradesh, Telangana as well. We're looking at all poll-bound states at this point, very closely monitored by Election Commission of India. Some of the government schemes that Revant Reddy has announced during the MCC in place has been seen as a violation. A strict direction has gone out to the Telangana government to defer it post 13th of May.
That's right, Nabila. In fact, you had Revant Reddy constantly raising this in his political rallies as well. And that's because KCR has been mounting considerable amount of pressure because there's about 7% of farmers who haven't received the pending dues to them. And Revant Reddy, the Telangana Chief Minister, in his recent rally has said that the money would be disbursed by tomorrow, by May 8th. So clearly there's a full stop to with the Election Commission taking this decision. But just let's take this back a few months. When the assembly elections were happening, this was a similar setback that the BRS suffered. The rest, as you know, is history, what really happened with regards to how the farmers voted, because there was a lot of angst. KCR knows this full well, which is why in every single rally he's been raising this issue, saying that farmers haven't been getting their due. The last payment was in March, and in that too, about 92% of farmers only were covered. So a lot of political drama expected to play out. This is no doubt a huge setback for the Congress, for Revant Reddy, who had promised that in the next 24 hours the payment will be done. That's clearly not going to happen with the Election Commission taking note of the fact that he made those comments in political rallies, taking note of the fact that he said that the payment will be done, and that's why they've blocked it. That's a clear violation of the Model Code of Conduct, and it proves to be a huge setback for the Congress ahead of polling day on May 13th, because a farmer vote in Telangana is going to be crucial really in deciding which way the election in Telangana at least will go.
Is, of course, all eyes now. Thanks very much, Akshita, for joining us. All eyes now on the poll-bound states. Election Commission of India keeping a hawk eye on violation of Model Code of Conduct. And for a Chief Minister, he's got to keep restraint to be doubly cautious.